took about a 9-minute, 30-second program and made it to where only 40 seconds of it are air movements. So this thing is welding 93%. And to be honest with you, that's probably about as high as I can possibly get it for percentage-wise. Start to finish, 9 minutes and 32 seconds. Yeah, and 8 minutes and 40 seconds are all welding. So less repairs, better looking welds. So we saved on time, better weld quality, and speed. If it was manually welded, I mean, you're probably looking at a good 35, 40 minutes for a manual welder to weld this, and that's being really lenient. I mean, to be honest with you, it could easily take up to an hour. Everybody always says, well, the robot did it. Yeah, but the robot, I programmed it, I made the program, those are my amps, those are my volts, that's my weld knowledge that's going into it. I'm just telling that thing to do it. And it's way more consistent than what I would be able to do as a hand welder. And I was a hand welder at one time. Here, I love programming. I love doing what I do. To me, I want to make it as fast as I possibly can. And I want to make it, when somebody walks up and looks at the tank, I want them to go, wow, that looks good. I don't want somebody to walk up and go, oh, somebody had a rough day. So it's about taking pride in your work.